awesome people of the universe, my name is Andy Valor. Welcome back to Vacationless. I know you are all here to see the special surprise, but first, let me just say thank you. Thank you for everyone who has been in a video for Vacationless. It was an honor to have you, and I love you guys so much. If you have watched, liked, shared, subscribed to this channel in any of the time of July or any time before that, I want to thank you guys so much for giving me this chance. I love you guys also. And finally, thank you to my mom, my dad, my aunt, my sister, my grandmother. Thank you for this special surprise, and I think we should get to that. So thank you guys for watching Vacationless. You can find all of the Vacationless videos on a playlist down below, and make sure you subscribe because I have a bunch of special surprises coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and see ya later. Stay awesome, you guys. Bye.
Kayla, get a little closer. But turn, Kayla, turn. Kayla, hold the bag for him.
Más papel de él. Let's check it out.
Go find it.
Go, walk around, come on.
I don't like walking.
Walk around.
Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Yeah.
Your sister promised you one. She promised red, though. She didn't get you red.
You see,
And Grandma and Wendy. Give Grandma and Wendy a hug. Go look at it. Have you even seen it?
Have I seen this car?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It's been sitting here for a week.
Oh, has it?
Yeah, right there.
No.
Oh my god.
This car smells horrible. It smells like leather. It also smells like my feet.
Look at the balloons.
Oh my god.